Welcome to this introduction video about the new generation Danfoss ICAD B actuator for motor operated valves type ICM and ICMTS and for pilot valve type CVE. In this video, we will give you an overview of the new generation Danfoss ICAD B actuator, which you see examples of here, to ensure correct selection and safe system operation. Therefore, we will show you the enhanced ICAD B user interface with multiple options for easier setup and adjustment. The new ICAD B mounting design for easier and faster mounting and dedicated for low temperature applications. The ICAD B data communication options for easier integration into control systems. We will also show you the ICAD B smart software features, the ICAD B portfolio, the ICAD B technical data. Finally, we will show you the ICAD B design features and where to find more information in the Danfoss product store and the Danfoss CoolSelector2 selection software. The new generation ICAD B actuator has an enhanced user interface to operate the valve on which the ICAD B is mounted. This includes new display for the version with built-in display, Bluetooth connectivity via smartphone app, status light, remote interface via data communication. Let us look a bit more into some of these user interface options. Here you see the ICAD B actuator version with the built-in display. This is a new larger display which is text descriptive. It has an intuitive navigation and it is password protected to ensure safe operation of the ICAD B and the valve. Here you see a sequence of uses of the ICAD B display. Please see the separate videos about the ICAD B navigation via the display. Here you see the ICAD B actuator versions without and with built-in display. Both versions have Bluetooth connectivity so that the ICAD B and the valve can be remotely operated via the Danfoss CoolConfig smartphone app. This means that all menus and parameters are accessible via the app, that you can do manual operation of the ICAD B and the valve, and that you have a quick setup wizard. Furthermore, the app is password protected, ensuring a safe operation of the ICAD B and the valve. Here you see a sequence of uses of the CoolConfig smartphone app. Please see the separate videos about the ICAD B navigation via the smartphone app. The ICAD B actuator without and with built-in display both have a built-in status light, as illustrated here with the blue and green colored lines. This status light on the ICAD B is visible from all angles. The status light displays real-time status with 4 different colors depending on the status of the ICAD B and the valve. This includes, as specified here, steady red color, meaning that there is a critical alarm and that the valve operation has stopped. Flashing red color, meaning that there is a severe alarm and that there is a risk of stopping the valve operation. Flashing blue color, meaning that the ICAD B is connected to the smartphone app via Bluetooth. This flashing blue color is faster when the smartphone app is searching for an ICAD B. Flashing yellow color, meaning that there is a warning and message related to service of the valve. And flashing green color, meaning that the status of the ICAD B and the valve is okay and that there are no messages. Here you see a sequence of the ICAD B with different colored flashing lights showing different real-time status of the ICAD B and the valve. The ICAD B actuator without and with built-in display both have a new mounting arrangement, as seen here. This new mounting arrangement is a fully hermetic design, which is designed for operating in low temperature applications, as seen here with these examples. As also illustrated here, the built-in O-ring provides a fully hermetic coupling using only 2 screws, which can be mounted in any 360-degree direction. This mounting arrangement needs no grease, lubrication, no maintenance, and no cleaning, ensuring a trouble-free operation. Please see the separate video about ICAD B mounting on motor-operated valves. The ICAD B actuator without and with built-in display and the valves on which they are mounted can be remotely operated via data communication. There are two options for data communication available, which includes Modbus RTU via RS485, where you can use the CoolConfig PC tool to configure ICAD B, and Modbus TCP IP via Ethernet. It is possible to read and write registers, this way allowing for monitoring and control via data. With this feature, it is possible to fully integrate each ICAD B to the control system for setup, parameter adjustment, and monitoring and control. Here you see a sequence of uses of data communication with the CoolConfig PC tool. Please see the separate videos about the ICAD B navigation via data communication. Multiple smart features have been added to the ICAD B actuator software to ease up handling and operation and to increase reliability. This is especially facilitated by using the smartphone app in applications where it might be difficult to physically access the ICAD B, as shown here with these examples. The ICAD B smart software features include a quick setup function, which reduces installation and configuration time, self-diagnostics with detailed information feedback via the multiple interfaces such as display, app, and data communication. Possibility to set up maintenance intervals which can support the control or prevent maintenance schedule of the system. Operational logic enhancement to improve performance and prevent errors. This includes boosting torque and torque monitoring. Quick and safe software update via the smartphone app. Additional functionality such as two-step control via an on-off signal, and up to 5 times higher control resolution using microsteps. Please see the separate videos about ICAD B navigation via the smartphone app. There are 3 types of ICAD B actuators available for 3 valve types and sizes. These are specified here. ICAD 600B for ICM 20 to 32, ICAD 1200B for ICM 40 to 150 and CVE, and ICAD 600B TS for ICMTS 20 to 80. All 3 ICAD B types are available in 4 different variants. These are, as mentioned earlier, with or without display, and, as also mentioned earlier, with Modbus communication RTU via RS485 or Modbus communication TCP IP via Ethernet. All these variants add up to 12 different models and code numbers. Here's an overview of this with the given code numbers of the different ICAD B models. All ICAD B models have Bluetooth connectivity. For more details, please check the ICAD B datasheet, which is available on danfoss.com. Now, how do you identify a given ICAD B actuator model between the 12 available models? Well, an easy first way is to visually identify if the ICAD B is without or with display, as seen here. If, for example, the given ICAD B actuator is with display, then this narrows down the options to 6 code numbers as specified here. To exactly identify a given model, you can furthermore find an ID label on the back of the ICAD B actuator housing, as illustrated here in this example with ICAD 600B code number 02780485. This ID label includes different important information such as ICAD B type, code number, serial number, product version, and technical data needed for correct installation. The ID label also includes 2 QR codes which you can scan to access ICAD B literature and other relevant ICAD B information. There are different cable sets and accessories available for the ICAD B actuator. These parts are not delivered with the ICAD B, and they should therefore be ordered separately. Here's an overview of the cable sets and accessories, including service kits and protective cover. For more details, please check the ICAD B datasheet, which is available on danfoss.com. Here you see some of the main technical data of the ICAD B actuator and the materials of the main ICAD B parts. We'll not go into details here, since you can find more information in the ICAD B datasheet, which is available on danfoss.com. Here you see the cable connector sockets layout on the back of the ICAD B actuator and the related technical data. As seen, the cable connectors only fit a specific connector socket on the ICAD B, so there is no risk of incorrect cable connection on the ICAD B. We'll not go into details here, since you can find more information in the ICAD B datasheet and installation guide, which are available on danfoss.com. We have already mentioned the new ICAD B display, status light, mounting design, and cable connectors, as seen here. Here you see another new ICAD B design feature, which is a new protective cover for use when the ICAD B is installed in harsh environment, like for example outside. This ensures an even higher performance and reliability in valve control and operation. You can find and select online the suitable ICAD B variants and related information by using the Danfoss Global Product Store. If you scan the QR code shown here, then you get to the Danfoss ICAD B site specified here. You can then access the Danfoss Product Store via the given link, which will direct you to the ICAD B variants as illustrated here. From here you can select the given ICAD B variants and code numbers and search for other information and documents such as datasheet, installation guide, and visuals. You can use the specified filters as needed to support your search for a suitable ICAD B model. You can also find and select online the suitable ICAD B variants and related information by using the Danfoss CoolSelector2 online selection software. Here you see an example of selection of an ICM20 motor operated valve in CoolSelector2, where you can also see an example of a suitable ICAD 600B to use. If you press the button for documents and visuals, then you can find more ICAD B information in relevant literature. You can find the ICAD B CoolConfig smartphone app on App Store, and you can find the ICAD B CoolConfig desktop PC tool on danfoss.com. You have now completed the introduction video about the new generation Danfoss ICAD B actuator for motor operated valves. So now you know the enhanced ICAD B user interface with multiple options for easier setup and adjustment. You know the new ICAD B mounting design for easier and faster mounting and dedicated for low temperature applications. You know the ICAD B data communication options for easier integration into control systems. You know the ICAD B smart software features. You know the ICAD B portfolio. You know the ICAD B technical data. You know the ICAD B design features. And you know where to find more information in the Danfoss Product Store and the Danfoss CoolSelector2 selection software. All this ensuring correct selection and safe system operation. Have a look at the other online learnings about the new generation Danfoss ICAD B actuator for motor operated valves. Thanks for watching.